Hello dear friends, today I am going to teach you that how to insert a column or a row in a table where you want. For example, if I have needed to insert a column beside the joining that, but I didn't do that, I didn't insert the column, but now I need it. So what will I do? So for it, I'm going to teach you how to insert a column in a table where you have already gave the data in a table, but now you are required to insert a column between the table or your columns. Or like this way, if you want the row to insert beside or between the data, so you can easily insert your columns and rows where you want. And also, if you can insert your rows and columns where you want in the table, so also you can delete the columns and rows in the column. So like this way, I'm going to teach you how. For example, if I want in the column before this joining date, so what I will do, only keep your cursor in the column and come over here in insert and just insert sheet columns. So you'll see that here will be the column beside that where you have kept the cell cursor. So now, for example, I need a column beside the department, so left side the department. So what I'll do, only go to the insert tab and select the insert and then insert column. So like this way, if you want to delete the column, so just go to the delete and go to the delete sheet column, so it will automatically delete your column in which your cell selection will be. So like this way, if I want to delete this, just delete sheet columns and it will be deleted. So like this way, if you want insert a column, so you can insert a column like this way. And if you are required to insert a row between the tables, so just come over here and come insert and then insert sheet rows. It will insert the row upside the selection of the cell. So like this way, for example, you want it over here, so just come here and insert rows, it will select, and then you can write anything you want. For example, if now I want to delete this cell row, so just come delete and delete rows, it will automatically delete it. If you want it to delete again, so just come to delete and delete rows. Like this way, you can insert the columns and rows as you want. For example, if you want the insert the column with the help of shortcut, just keep your cursor over there where you want and then hit Alt I C, it will automatically insert the column. Like this way, if you want to insert a row in a shortcut, so just Alt I R, it will automatically insert a column and a row as you want. So like this way, you can insert or delete the rows as you want. So thank you.